Good morning, children. I hope all are fine. So, today we are going to study English grammar, chapter number 3, common names and special names. So, children, before starting with this chapter, I want to ask you some questions about noun. What are nouns? Who will tell me? Yes, come on, say. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Yes. For example, Rohan is the name of a boy. Yes. Then apple. Apple is name of a fruit. Then cat. Cat is an animal. And Delhi. What is Delhi? Delhi is a place. So these are all names of people, places, animals, or things. And so they are called as naming words or nouns. So children, today we will study what are common nouns and special nouns. Okay? So get ready for it. Now we will start with common names. So here comes your first sentence. He is a clown. So in this sentence, we are talking about a clown. And what is a clown, children? It is a word that refers to a person. Okay? So it is a common name given to a person. Second one is, it is a dog. So children, here we are talking about a dog. And what is a dog? It is a name that refers to animals. Okay? It is a name that refers to an animal. Now comes your third sentence. I live in a city. So children, in this sentence, we are talking about a city. So what is city, children? It is a name that refers to a place. Okay? Now we come to the fourth one. I like to have a pastry. So we are talking about a pastry. And what is a pastry? It is a common name which is given to a thing. So children, all these words such as clown, city, dog, or pastry, these are the general names which are given to people, places, animals, or things. Okay? So they are called as common nouns. And children, we never write common nouns in capital letters unless it is beginning a sentence or it is a part of a title. Okay? We always write common nouns in small letter. Okay? Now we will learn special names. So the first sentence is, Rohan is a clown. So children, just now we learned that clown is a name of a person, isn't it? So what is Rohan, children? It is a special name of a person. Okay? Clown is a general name and Rohan is a special name. Okay? Now comes your second sentence. His dog's name is Dora. So children, over here What is the name of the dog? Yes, Dora. Dora is a special name that is given to an animal. Okay? Next comes your third sentence. I live in Delhi. So children, what is Delhi? Yes, it is a special name given to a city. Now comes your fourth sentence. My favorite chocolate is Dairy Milk. So, in this sentence, we are talking about a chocolate. And which chocolate? Dairy Milk. Yes. So, Dairy Milk is a special name given to a chocolate. Okay? It is a special name given to a thing. So, children, all these words such as Rohan, Dora, Delhi and Dairy Milk, these are all special names. And children, all the special names given to people, places, days, months, organizations, they are called as proper nouns. And children, we never write proper nouns in small letters. Okay? No matter where it comes in a sentence, we will always write it in capital letters. For example, my brother lives in Dubai. So, Dubai is a special name for a city. Okay? So, we will write Dubai in capital letters. Next, my sister's birthday is in June. So children, what is June? June is the name of a month. So we will write June in capital letters. So these are some examples. Okay, now we are going to do some book exercises. So come on, take out your books. Now open page number 19. Lesson 3, Common Names and Special Names. Now here we have one exercise. So here you have to write your name. Okay children, you write your name and don't forget to write your name in capital letter. You begin your name with a capital letter and your surname also with a capital letter. Okay? Next, the name of your school. So, here I have written it, St. Joseph's Convent. This you will write in capital letter. Okay? Next, the name of your teacher. I have written my name over here. You can write it down. The name of a friend. So you write the name of your friend in capital letter. So children, the names that you wrote are special. Okay, these are all special names. They are different from the names of other people or things. Okay? Now let us read about Sarah. Hi, I am Sarah. I am a girl. I live in a city. It is called New Delhi. I go to a school. The name of my school is Little Sunshine School. I have a pet dog. His name is Sherry. So children, over here, girl is a common name and Sarah is a special name of this girl. Next, city is a common name. And what is this? New Delhi? It's a special name of a city. Next, school is a common name. And Little Sunshine School is the special name of a school. Next, dog is a common name. And Sherry is the special name of a dog. Okay? So children, just now I have explained you what are common nouns and proper nouns. Okay? So all these common names, they are the common nouns, and the special names are called proper nouns. Okay? See children, over here, girl is a common noun, no? So it is written in small letter. And here, what is Sarah? It is a special name, no? So it is a proper noun. And I told you that proper noun begins with a capital letter. So that is why Sarah is written in capital letter. Next, what is Delhi? What is city? City is a common noun, and so it is written in small letter. And what is New Delhi? It is a special noun. It is a proper noun. So it is written in capital letter. You can turn the page. Here we have got the definition of common names and special names. Let's read. Naming words that are the general names for the same kind of people, places, animals and things are called common nouns or common names. Examples are boy, girl, city, cat, tiger, table, desk. Next, naming words that we give to one person, place, animal or thing are called special names. Special names always start with a capital letter. Okay children, special names are also called as proper nouns, and they are always started with a capital letter. Examples are Lalit, Bihar, Toby, India Gate. Now look at the special names given to these common names. These are the common names and here are the special names given to them. First one is city. So the special names are Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. Okay. Next we have days of the week. So month, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are the special names for the days of the week. Next we have months of the year. So January, February, March. These are the months of the year. Next, festivals. Christmas, Holi, Dussehra. These are the special names given to the festivals. So children, remember that special names are always started with a capital letter. Okay? Don't forget. Next, what is written over here? Common names begin with a small letter and special names begin with a capital letter. Okay? Now we'll do this exercise A. Look at the common names for different kinds of things. Circle the odd one out. So children, let's do it. First one is rock, stone, pebbles, brick, bear. So children, these belongs to the same category, and this one is different. Bear, it is an animal, that is why it is the odd one over here. Next, boy, girl, man, city, woman. So all these words refer to person, okay, but city refers to place, that is why it is the odd one out. So you circle city. Next, carrot, banana, grapes, apple, guava. See children, these are all fruits. And what is carrot? It is a vegetable. So circle carrot. Next, bees, ant, duck, caterpillar, mosquito. So children, bees, ant, caterpillar, mosquito, these are all insects. And what is duck? It is a bird. Okay? So it is the odd one out. You circle it. Next, hut, rose, house, building, room. So what is rose? Rose is a flower. So it is different from these. Next is lily, marigold, sunflower, window, lotus. So children, window is different from these, okay, because these are all flowers. That is why window is the odd one. Next, underline the naming words and write them in the correct columns. So you have to underline the naming words. You remember the naming words? Yes, come on, let's start. First one is I have a pet cat. So children, what is the naming word over here? Pet cat. Underline pet cat. You underline pet and cat. Next, my cow is called Gauri. So what are the naming words here? Cow and Gauri. Now we come to the next page. Number 3. Ben drives a bus. So what are the naming words here? Ben and bus. Next, the Ganges is the longest river in India. So the naming words are Ganges and India and also river. Okay. Next, is Chennai a big city? So the naming words are Chennai and city. Next, that's my parrot on the tree. I call it Chirpy. So parrot, tree, Chirpy. These are the naming words. Next, Alia has a brother called Monty. So Alia, brother and Monty. These are the naming words. Now children, we have to segregate common names and special names. Okay? Come on, let's find out the common names. Pet cat. Okay, let us write here. Next, cow, Gauri. So what is cow? It is a common name. And what is Gauri? It is a special name. So cow will come here and Gauri will come here. Next, Ben and Bus. So what is Ben? It is a special name. So you write Ben here in capital letter. And Bus will come here. Next, Ganges, river, India. So Ganges, India. These two words will come here. And where will river come? River will come here. Next, Chennai and city. So Chennai is a special name. And city is a common name. Next, parrot, tree. So parrot and tree are common names. And what is chirpy? It is a special name of a bird. Next, Alia, brother, Monty. So Alia is a special name. And Monty. And what is brother? It is a common name. Okay, here we have done this exercise also. Now we come to the last exercise of this lesson. Exercise C. Find the naming words in the word grid to fill in the blanks. They are all special names except one. So here we begin. I am a cricketer. My name is Dash Tendulkar. So my name is Sachin Tendulkar. And where is Sachin written? Yes, it is here, Sachin. Okay. Next, I live in Mumbai. It is a city in India. So, Mumbai. Where is Mumbai written? Here. And India? Here I can see. Next, today is Good Friday. Okay, a day of the week. Today is Good Friday. It is a holiday. So children, where is Friday written? Here. Next, Dash is the first month of the year. So, which is the first month of the year? January. And where is it written? Here. December is the last dash of the year. December is the last month of the year. So, it is written here. Now children, see, Sachin, Mumbai, India, Friday, January. These are the special names. And so we have written it in capital letters. But the word month over here is not a special name. It is a common name. That is why we have written it in small letter. Okay. So this chapter is over now. Thank you.